So we are going to get started with the lightning talks. But before the lightning talks, we want to invite anybody who has any announcement that they would like to make to the community. Let's say if you have any faculty positions coming up in this area, or if you have any events that you want everybody to know about. So Kosa will start out with some announcements.
All right, hi everyone, and thanks. I cornered Fayez and Jitesh and asked if we could do some community announcements because we have such a good group here and I think it would be useful information. So my announcement is about some open faculty positions at UC Berkeley. We have 2 ongoing searches that I think might be of interest to the community. The first is Mechanical Engineering Department. Which is focused on what we call areas of critical need, but it's a broad search. So anything is in scope, but there's a couple areas that we're looking a little bit more closely at, and those are MEMS nano, health, and materials. So if your research is at the intersection of one of those things, health plus design, AI plus materials, please, you're welcome to come talk with me and I can point you in the right direction. The other one that I think is actually super, super relevant for this group is a broad search across the entire College of Engineering, and it's what we call a cluster hire. So we'll probably look on campus to hire, I don't know, on the order of 2 to 5 people. So when you apply, that cluster search is in Engineering plus AI. That's the title, Engineering plus AI. As a candidate, you can self-select any department that you want. So you could select electrical engineering, you can select mechanical engineering. So that is open department, open rank, so assistant, associate, full professor, and a broad kind of like cluster hire search. So if you have questions and you want to chat with me, I'm happy to talk. I'll be here until like 2:30ish.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Primarily an untenured search, so assistant professor level is the intention. The engineering plus AI broad search is any level, assistant, associate, or full professor.
So we have another announcement here. Department of Industrial and Enterprise System Engineering at University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. It's an open rank faculty research. The primary area of interest is system engineering and design, with emphasis on topics such as design innovation, advanced manufacturing, digital twins, model-based system engineering, life cycle and mission assurance, and test and validation. And since we are doing an open rank, and also it's mainly system engineering and design, I think it's a good community to to search for candidates. And welcome to apply. And if you'd like to learn more about it, please talk to me, and I can share more information.
Okay, any other announcements, faculty positions, events, workshops?
So hi, I'm from Carnegie Mellon University, and our department, Mechanical Engineering Department, also have multiple opening for tenure track faculty position. And I think we are looking for purely computational or theoretical researchers. I guess design plus anything we are discussing today or yesterday actually relevant. So if you are interested, please check our website, and I'm also happy to answer any questions. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, ETH Zurich had a previous position in sustainability, which I believe the applications are now closed for, but we do have one for dynamics and controls. So anybody who's interested in like co-design, like controls co-design stuff, I don't know a ton of people here, but if you're interested in that I think closes in a couple weeks' time. In addition, I'm personally hiring for something called a technical director for a manufacturing center. So this is not a tenure track position, but it does lead to a tenured position after about 6 or 7 years. So if you want to do professor stuff, but without the service, and maybe only a little bit of teaching and mostly have fun with research, and don't care that you're not called a professor, but want to do a lot of the same protections that professors have, please come and talk to me, because the US does not have positions like this, but Switzerland does.
Thank you. Great.
I'm from University of Alabama in Huntsville. My department is called Industrial and System and Engineer Management, ISEM. We're also looking for assistant and associate level position. And I think more focused on industry engineer side. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a question for all those that have positions, aside the kind of industry-focused one. You know, in systems engineering, we're welcoming. We don't care what your background discipline is, so long as you bring something to the table that matters. I know some departments, if you don't hold a mechanical engineering degree, forget about applying to that department. So for each of your positions, to what extent does having a prior degree in the name of your department count, or is your focus on the actual expectation in terms of the knowledge that the individual brings to the table? Because I could have a systems engineering degree and actually fit well into your program in mechanical engineering, for example. I don't know if you can speak to those for each of the positions. Quickly, please.
So maybe I can give a default answer, and if somebody differs, then they can talk. I think in most cases, the actual name of the degree doesn't matter. It's the work that you have done is what is relevant. And in most of the openings, it says mechanical engineering or equivalent fields. So if any of the positions differ from that, please feel free to speak up.
Okay, I'm from University of Texas at Dallas, mechanical engineering. We have 4 opening positions for the tenured and the tenure track, associate professor and assistant professor, focusing on nuclear energy and robotics. Yeah, thank you.
So that's an additional position.
Hi, this is from UT Austin. UT Austin Mechanical Engineering, we're also hiring. So this is on advanced manufacturing, and I think we're looking for a little bit more senior faculty members. So if you're, looking to switch institutions, I guess, maybe apply to UT Austin. Thanks.
Wow, this is a great job market. Okay, anybody else before we go into the lightning talks? Okay.
Just another job ad because I'm on the search committee. But we have 3 openings down in Auburn and Alabama for anything from statistics focused to advanced manufacturing, and they're all open rank. So come talk to me if you're interested.